So welcome guys. So today topic is related to internal order allocation. So before allocation we have to maintain two things. One is maintain profile and maintain allocation structure. The T code would be OK06 and OK07. So first of all we are going with the allocation structure OK06. Sorry, OK06. It's not OK06, OK06. So we take, let us check first internal order, what allocation structure we have taken. Okay, 07, 20 we have take. So allocation structure is A1. So let me explain you the settlement profile first. This one, maintain profile OK07. So suppose you want to settle your internal order on specifically to GL account, then it should be settlement optional or required. And if you want to a cost center, because we have created a cost center, so it's coming optional, WBS element, fixed asset. So we are going to change this also. Then material, order management. So these are the thing. Other parameter document type we can define. Let's say we are going to define then default object type, then settlement, 100% of settlement, equivalent number, amount settlement. Suppose if I am tick on this, then system will show me to amount settlement also. So now we are going to check this one also. Control say transfer back. So our internal order settlement profile completed. Now come to our allocation structure. So click to this one, then go to assignment. In assignment we have defined like that: activity allocation, overhead allocation. Then we have to click on activity allocation, then click to source. Then source would be cost element. From it's okay. Then assessment cost element not required. Then settlement cost center. So this is a receiver category. Now we have to enter new entry, receiver category, cost center, then settlement cost element. If we click on by cost element, then system will pick automatically by their own. Click by cost element. So no valid assessment, no assessment, we are not going to assessment, so not required. Source is also not required because source we already defined in that. So settlement cost element we already created. Then save. Back. Source, chart of account. Not required, not required. So we are not going to touch this one. Assignment we already, settlement. Click on source. Nothing is there. Okay, now it's completed. Now go to settlement KO88. So our order number is 3306. then settlement period 1, posting period 1, automatic, then test run. Then we will check, first we check the settlement rule. Settlement rule is test M001, test D002, 50% full. Earlier we have posted the entry of 15,000. Now we are going to check this one. Now click on execute. Settlement executed. No error is shown. Click to. So see, the system order sender is that, receiver is that, 7500 already settled. Now we are going to remove the test run and process. So this is process. Go to that. Now see the accounting document number. So this is the accounting document number which is posted. Document number 455. This is basically a internal document number. So this is the overall internal order process. Thank you. Thanks for watching.